We are here at Mr. Gamer Philippines 2026. Here are the handsome and gorgeous candidates. Hello to each and every one of you. Hi! First time.
Yes, it's my first time. Yes.
Bakit first time? Parang 3 years in the making? O bakit po?
No, actually, naging interested niya ako kasi I want to have a different platform. Kasi sa hospital ako nag-work eh. So, I wanted to reach other market naman. Gusto ko naman siguro yung mga younger market na to help them educate about gay life, about gay culture, and about protecting themselves from STI and then STDs. And of course, HIV awareness.
Can I just ask, this is not your first time to come out?
Actually, hindi naman po sa hindi nag-came up. Parang ako lang kasi, I act from the very start like this one. Hindi ako nag-out kasi I think it's obvious.
Okay.
Pero yung preference ko how I move, how I talk with other people, it's always the same.
Oo, parang casual.
Casual lang po siya.
Nasa kanila na po yung decision.
Yes, parang gano'n lang po, ma'am. Parang you get what you want. You get what you see. Parang
Kasi you're so, di ba, gorgeous, ganda ng katawan.
Yeah.
Parang, di ba, parang straight guy kasi.
para lang po. Pero hindi.
Time first runner-up. Do you think you are be getting the title now?
I think this is my time. It comes with a purpose. We are prepared every year to battle different battlefields. Last year, I chose not to win because I got married legally. So I chose marriage over a crown. And that also proves that, you know, the LGBT community in the country is becoming more aggressive. I mean, Europe, America, they're all legalized, as we know that. And sabi nga na aking co-candidate na to na, we want to showcase how deliberately liberated and multi-diverse the LGBT people in our country right now. So I didn't get that negativity. No, when I always see people, why you like first one? I'm like, it's God's will. It's my choice. It's always an opportunity. So look at it. Look at how it works your way. And it worked my way because I'm happily married. We run businesses. I work in the hair industry, and now we're inspiring a lot of people. I'm the oldest candidate here. If
Most famous, I think. Diba?
Thank you.
Diba?
I'm not saying a word. Thank you.
Are we gonna be seeing another mga pasabog OOTVs at pasabog mga outfits? Kasi yun pa yung iniintay namin sa iyo, yung mga paglabas mo talagang, wow! Ito pala, this is just a sample. Day one. Kasi ito, the coronation ay talagang pati kami nalulula. Ay, akaloka. Are we gonna be seeing that also?
Yeah, but basically we went in a different direction this year because my mom passed away. So I did a lot of shoot also in Canada. But we are showcasing a lot of Filipino designers and young photographers in our industry because I told them, please play up with me. Please, let's work. Because I wanted to reach them that these people are young. I'm old. So I wanted people to think na you don't age. You become a living proof of change. Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. A living proof of age. Mr. Giver is 3 years already? Fourth year?
This is the fourth
Year. So fourth year na bakit ngayon ka lang lumabas? Why is that? You have the physique and the character of being a winner, I think.
Thank you. Well, this is actually also my first time joining ever a pageant. And I think the reason why I joined this particular pageant was because of the platform. Because it's very personal to me because all my life I've been told that my voice didn't have value, that I was told to keep quiet, stay in a corner. And, you know, that's something that a lot of us in the community have experienced and have heard. And going into this platform, going into this pageant, I am here telling people that, hey, you know what? I have something to say. I have a story to tell. This story has value, and my story can help inspire people. The same way I also want to tell them that, you know, your stories can also inspire. You know, all of us, all our experiences, all of us have shared experiences, and these experiences give color, give life to society, even to our community.
I must say this is All Stars. I must say this Mr. Gay World Philippine All Stars.
Ganun ba?
Yeah, oo, talaga labanan. I can see that all the 32, 33 candidates, parang this is, I think, the best batch ever. Ma'am, you know that. I think this is the batch talagang pukpukan sila. I don't know why. Probably of the cash prize that we have now, or I don't know. We'll have to take it a little later kung anong sasagutan yan. And dahil dyan, please invite everyone to watch your journey until the coronation night. One by one. Yeah.
Hey, hello po everyone. Suportahan niyo po kami sa aming journey this coming Mr. Gay World 2026. Alamin niyo ang aming istorya, baka ma-inspire kayo. And again, let's all get tested.
Wow.
Hi everyone! For the fourth time in your lives, watch and support Mr. Gay World Philippines 2026. As he said, listen to our stories, get inspired, live a good life, and have yourself tested.
Hi everyone, this is Miguel Lago, and I'm here to tell you that your voice has value and your story has value. We're here to empower you to tell your stories. So we hope you watch our journey, and we hope you also resonate with it. Thank you so much.